how we can modify a simple strategy for a better use. Let me show you one trade very quickly. I am on Monday, 4th of May, first day of May. So here I am trying to create one trade. So what I will do, I will create a monthly trade, 26th May, and I'll go far away on the call side. And let's say I'm selling 24,800 and I am buying 24,900. So this is the bear call spread portion of my trade. And similarly, I'm going on the downside. I'm selling 23,700 and I am buying 23,600. So this is a very normal iron condor trade. But in case I have little bit of anticipation of the market, I can modify this trade and that can save me lot of adjustments and pain. How we can do that? Let us quickly see what can be the modification. Now suppose, although I'm not having any view, but suppose I'm having a view that okay, market can go down. So what I will do, I will modify my iron condor in such a way that okay, if market will go down, I am not at all bothered, and still for a very wide range I can make a very good profit. So if I think that okay, market will go down, what I will do, from 23,700 put I have sold, 23,600 put I have purchased. This is my original trade, and in the original trade I have sold 24,800 call and I have purchased 24,900 call. In this case my maximum profit is 3510, my maximum loss is 2990. But my problem is, in case market goes below 23,645, I need to do some adjustments. In case market goes above 24,855, again I need to do adjustments, and these are not very far away. 2.4% is on the downside, 2.6% on the upside. This kind of movement definitely happens pretty fast in the market. So what I will do, first I will safeguard my trade on the downside. So instead of 23,600, what I can do, I can buy 23,650. Once I do that, you see on lower side my risk is totally reduced. Now since I am protecting the trade on the lower side, I will strategically change my call side to increase the distance between spot of the market and break even of the call side. How will I do that? So I will shift this call by 100 points, 24,900, and I will shift this call also by 100 points, 25,000, and I'll shift this call to 25,000, let us say 200, and I will shift this call to 25,000. Now if you see what I have created, this is known as modified iron condor or modi dog. In this, what has happened, on downside whatever happens, I am pretty much okay, there is no issue at all. On upside I have a 3.5% protection. In case market moves up, I will definitely do some adjustments to protect this side of the trade also. There is no issue in that. And if market stays normal, if market stays very range bound, then also this trade will give me very good profit of 3912. So let me explain the trade again. I have sold a 25,000 call. Since I have taken 200 points difference between my sold call and purchased call, I have purchased 25,200 call. What this has done, this has given me a good 45-46 rupees as a credit. On put side I have sold 23,700 put, but I have immediately purchased 23,650. So on put side I have not kept a bigger gap, I have kept a gap of only 50 points. I have kept a gap of 200 points on call side. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. You can join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. We give you pre-market report every morning. Now, can I do this trade differently? Let me show you. Suppose I am not bearish, I am bullish. So what I will do, I can do different things. I can reduce the put strike. Now I have sold 23,700. I purchased 23,500. And on call side, I can shift my buying just 50 points away. See now. Now the trade has become bullish. Only 4 lakhs, but whether if my view is bullish, I will create this kind of a trade. If my view is bearish, I will create other kind of a trade. So it's all about how well we play with different strikes. So now I'll go with my original trade. Again, I purchased a put at 23,650, sold a put at 23,700. Downside there is no issue at all. Let's say I have some money and I am doing this in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 lots. 5 lots require roughly around 5 lakhs. Maybe I have another 1 lakh in case volatility goes up. These trades do require more margin also. Let's see how it pans out. Next day, nothing has happened. Market is where it was. Not much change has happened in the market. Next day, again, everything very dull, very normal. Trade is giving me a very small profit of 2,600 rupees. Next day, not much movement, but market is moving slightly on the upper side. I need to be careful on the upside movement of the market. Next day, okay. I am seeing this blue line. This blue line is showing me excellent results in case market moves down. But if market crosses this level of blue line, which is around 24,600, then I should be careful. So here, after a few days have gone, I should be very careful about the blue line of the trade. Now I am making a good 5,500 rupees. Next day, okay, market has gone down. Trade is giving me a good 7,600 rupees. So as of now, the anticipated direction has gone well. Trade is giving me good 7,600 rupees. Let us see what happens next day. 83.20, and in case market goes to this area, obviously my profit will be less, but there will be a profit. So far I have not done any adjustment in the trade because market is moving as per my anticipation. I can definitely bring down my calls. I can definitely bring down both my sold call and purchase call down. But then I would be definitely worried about in case what happens if there is a sudden reversal. For better reach and visibility, request all of you to please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Each and every like and subscription is very valuable to us. Thanks in advance. Let us see how the trade pans out. We are in the middle of the month. We started on 4th. It is 12th of May, and we would like to see what happens to this kind of a trade in case market really goes down or market reverses. What kind of adjustment we will require to do. Let us see. Next day, okay, market is going down only. I am pretty much okay. I do not require to do anything at all. Next day, okay, again you see, if I see this green line, my profit should be very less. It should be around 3,300 rupees. But because of blue line, my profit right now is 9,500 rupees. And here I can have another trick in my sleeve. So what I will do, I will scare off this buying and I'll bring it closer now, because now the trade is already played out. Definitely I can bring this buying to just 100 points, right? Although there are hardly any rupees in this, but now my maximum loss is also very, very limited, and my blue line is giving a very, very wide range of expansion. Next, 11,000 rupees. Now, the important thing to understand in this trade is a very wide range from this point, which is around 23,680 to 24,970, around 1,200, 1,300 points range, where I will get my maximum profit, which is decent 4.2%. Only if market breaks that range, then my profit will be less. In case market breaks the upside range, I need to do further adjustments to protect the trade, right? Let us continue with the trade. Let us see what happens. Can we increase the profit in case market is dipping down, and how will we protect in case market move very fast on the upside? Next day, okay, it has gone down. Still, I'm making 9132. Next day, very good profit, 11,000 rupees profit on 19th of May. There is hardly anything left on the call side. We can definitely remove this position also if required. Next day, we're just continuing with the same trade. Let us see. Next day, okay, 12,000, 12,188. Okay. Luckily, now the trade is coming into the sweetest zone of Iron Condor, and I'm making 17,000 rupees profit. Obviously, now we are too late to cut this, but we can cut this even now. And this is the trade. In case market goes down from here, no issue. We will still make some money. If market remains in this box, I am going to make decent 18 to 19,000 rupees. Let us see on expiry day, and by end of day, we are making 18,884, which is not 10.3%, because originally we used around 5 lakh rupees. So it is in the range of 3 to 3.5%. So this is how a little bit of anticipation of the market helps in creating a modified trade, which is not a standard normal trade. So what will happen with this? With this, the amount of adjustments required get reduced almost by 50%. Now in this case, we have done just one adjustment. What adjustment we have done? We have brought our purchase call down so as to block any kind of a loss on the upside, and ultimately we scared off our call side of the trade. Otherwise, there was no adjustment required. If I have done the same Iron Condor in a very standard side, obviously I would have been required to do some adjustments so that any loss on the put side would have been nullified. Now you can say, what in case our anticipated direction goes wrong? The same trade, if I would have made that thinking that okay, market will go up, how will I protect that trade? Definitely we will see in the part 2 of this video. Similar interesting stuff we have shown in our courses. We have 3 courses. One is for Iron Condor, one is for Iron Fly, one is for double candle spread. In that also we have shown you the exact framework for initiating the trade, adjusting the trade, locking the profits and exiting the trade. Not only that we have shown you the framework, we have also given you 12 months of application of that framework by showing you 12 months of actual backtesting. If you wish to enroll for any of these courses or all of these courses, please contact the numbers given on the screen. In addition to that, you can also join our memberships. We have 3 kinds of memberships: Silver, TOS Insights and TOS Premium. More deeper concepts, more backtestings with few adjustments is also shown to our members. In addition to that, there have been a lot of queries that okay, which is the broker you people are using? So we have given the link for that broker also in the description. If you want to trade with that broker, you can open an account with that broker also. It's a very transparent brokerage house, giving you a very, very extremely useful, robust options trading platform, and even a free backtesting simulator. So if you are interested, you can just click the link given in the description and join. Leaving you with very interesting video. Hope you will definitely like it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel or like this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.